and the future. We are your past. The past, we are your present. Your present, we are your future. The present, past, future, present. We are your past. We are your past.
We are singing you this message.
Whose world is this?
The world is yours. The world is yours.
It's mine, it's mine. Whose world is this?
It's the future. We must make it.
The world is yours.
Safe and happy for the children.
Whose world is this? It's mine, it's mine, it's mine. Whose world is this?
The world is yours. The world is yours.
It's mine, it's mine, it's mine. Whose world is this?
Young world, young world. The world is yours. Young hey, young world. The world is yours. Hey, young world. The world is yours. Young world, young world. The world is yours. Young
In the eyes of some, certainly vandalism. The eyes of many others, it is an art form, and it is both at the same time. And you can't simply say, well, it's just all vandalism, because when you begin to look at it, what you see is a very complex, stylistic art form, lots of color. These young people can do things with a spray can that are rather remarkable.
That's my hometown. Why, that's my LA.
Throwing up to LA like a Esteban.
It's the city of the angels. I heard somebody say.
Throwing up to LA like a Esteban.
That's my hometown. Why, that's my LA.
Throwing up to LA. Throwing up to LA.
Why, that's my hometown.
Throwing up to LA like a Esteban.
Why, that's my LA. We can see Dodger Stadium and the City Hall.
From the South Bay to the Valley, from the West Side to the East Side, everybody very happy, 'cause the sun is shining all the time. It's like another perfect day. I love LA.
Now wait a minute.
Testing, 1, 2, 3.
It's working. It's working. Party people, if you're ready to rock, let me hear you scream. And if you really, really came to party, then let me hear everybody say, we came to party. We came to party. Everybody put your hands together like this. Come on, clap. Let me hear you clap. Everybody clap. Now here's a funky beat.
Jump on it, jump on it, jump on it. Jump on it, jump on it, jump on it. Jump on it, jump on it, jump on it, on it, on it.
foundation of hip-hop.
It's not a problem that I can't fix, cause I can do it in the mix.
You take a record as it's playing, and you just cut it up.
It's not a problem that I can't fix, cause I can do it in the mix.
DJ is pretty much the foundation of hip-hop.
Yeah, you gonna rap, right? You gonna do it down, right?
Hey, listen up to your local DJ. You better hear what he's got to say.
What's up, people? You remember the boom box? Boy, there was an iPhone. There was a boom box. Boom box. Bang, 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 bang. Boom box. Bang, 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 bang. Bang, 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 bang.
We are now seeing an increase in the number of food trucks, especially prevalent in California.
Gloria Molina made history as the first Latina on the Los Angeles County Board of Supervisors, as well as first Latina in the LA City Council and state legislature, spearheading the project to establish Grand Park in downtown Los Angeles.
A celebration to last throughout the years. So bring your good times and your laughter too. We gon' celebrate your party with you. Come on now. Celebration. Let's all celebrate and have a good time. Celebration. We gon' celebrate and have a good time. It's time. It's up to you. What's your pleasure? Everyone around the world, come on! It's a celebration. Celebrate good times, come on! It's a celebration. It's time to come together. It's up to you.